What's up, YouTube and blog? Bowman Studio, come back with another box break. Gonna do 2010 SPX. Good luck. Thank you, Steel City in the mail. I was waiting for somebody to do that. How many packs are in here? 18? Geez, I didn't realize there was this many packs. 18 packs. Alright. I thought there was like 10. Alright, here we go. Good luck. Pack one. I've seen a couple of these open, but looking for 4 hits. Got a hit out of the first pack, I believe. Nope, just one of their redemptions. All base. Love the collegiate jerseys, though. All in collegiate jerseys. Brandon Marshall, Reggie Wayne in there. Really nice looking cards. Steve Smith, Jason Witten, Mark Sanchez, Matt Hasselbeck. Okay. Wow. Alright, first hit. There you go. It's going to be numbered 375, 326, and 375. It's going to be for the Seahawks. It's going to be the jersey auto of Golden Tate. Golden Tate. Oh, sick. Very nice. So thank you to Taz. Got another hit in here. Number to 140, number 50, a 140. You're gonna have to help me out who he went to. It's gonna be a rookie auto of Navarro Bowman from Penn State. Navarro Bowman. Niners. There you go. Nice looking. The cards are really nice looking. I got a gold rookie card. Devin McCourty, number to 599. I'm not sure who had the Niners. I'd have to... Truth. Chad had the Niners. These are going to be all base. Matt Castle, Braylon Edwards, Tony Romo. Those are all base. Looks like, yep. Got a huge card in here. It's a patch. It's huge. Actually, no, I'll do a slow roll for you guys. I didn't see it. I can just tell it's a patch because it's a ginormous. There you go. Good luck. I don't know who it is. One color patch. Sean Merriman. Card is thick. It's huge. It's huge. One color patch numbered 17 to 125. Look how thick it is. There's only one other card in the pack besides that. So Sean Merriman, one color patch. Hoping it was at least 2 colors with how thick it is, but nope, still nice though. Sean Merriman. Only one other card in that pack. Still looking for what? One more hit? 2 more hits? Oh, base. I think he's out for the season. Got a rookie card of Anthony McCoy, number to 599. I guess they're all rookie cards, but numbered rookie card. And All base in that one. Oh, we got 4, 5, 7 packs left. Speed it up a tad. Base. Oh, there's going to be all base in there because I just dropped them all. Oh, actually, there's a numbered card in there. Darryl Washington, numbered to 599. From TCU. And base, still looking for at least one more hit. I know there's at least 4 hits in here. Looking for another jersey or an autograph at least. Miles Austin rookie, or whatever. I don't know if they're all considered rookies or not. I doubt it a bit. Alright, Sean Green, Frank Gore, Calvin Johnson. Alright, there's the last hit. Not bad. Number 19 of 375 is going to be college jersey, of course. Dual jersey for the Bills, CJ Spiller. Nice purple for the Bills. Last pack of the SPX. And this base. And that's it. I know SPX has potential really nice hits. Actually, it wasn't a bad box, the Tate and the Spiller and stuff. But, alright, come back with some more. Bowman to Suit out.